Hey there! In this updated tutorial, we'll guide you on how to invite a member to a community on X using your Android device. Inviting members to join a community can help foster engagement and collaboration. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device to access its features and settings. Step 2. Tap the community icon located at the bottom of the screen to navigate to the Communities section. Step 3. Select the desired community name that you wish to invite a member to join. Step 4. Tap the share icon within the community to initiate the sharing options. Step 5. Choose the invite members from the sharing options to proceed with inviting a new member. Step 6. Tap on Search for people to find and select the person you want to invite to the community. Step 7. Finally, tap Invite next to the selected person's account to send them an invitation to join the community. Well done! You've successfully learned how to invite a member to a community on X using your Android device. Encourage collaboration and connect with others within your community. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.